go 16-inch cordless power load string trimmer unboxing. It's fairly simple. Maybe I should read the instructions before I go any further. Nah, it's pretty simple. Okay. You got a little tool. Got all this paperwork. Put it right there on top of that battery charger. They send some line. It's 0.095 of an inch. So I probably should have bought some while I was out. Anyway, so pretty self-explanatory. They give you a wrench and a bolt. Right here is just folded in half and put it together. There we go. Next, wrench. Right, there's that. The guard's on there. About 12 turns of the 2 screws there. Okay. Number 12. It goes right here in front of the trigger. And that's just for a shoulder strap, carry strap. What's this other little piece? All right, it's right here. Typical charger, 56 volts, and 4 amp hour battery. Alright, typical of the last one, it had two spots lit up. I'm gonna put this on charge for a bit. Got the battery from the lawnmower. Slide it on here. There we go. And got 2 speeds. Seems like 1 speed would be good. Alright, there you go. That's how long it takes to put it together. this feels, it's pretty heavy on the back end. So I would say this is equivalent to a regular gas weed eater. It does feel pretty heavy the way it's set up. Feels pretty good. Probably be a little longer. That's fine. The quick release handle is nice. Pretty good. It's balanced pretty good. It's about, I'm 6 foot tall, so fully extended is 6 foot tall. You can shrink it up about 8 inches. So I imagine if you're like 5'4", this will probably still be short enough for you. Yeah, not too bad. It's not bad for a weed eater. I damn sure wouldn't have a gas weed eater. I hate those suckers. This is the only way to go if you're going to get a line trimmer. It's quieter, it's easier, and you don't have to buy gas for it or mix oil for it.